The movie, The Psychopath, is a movie full of smartness, intelligence, and a lot of brainwork. It shows the life of Sharon Adeaga and how she's training a dangerous twins. Please, if this is your first time of being on this channel, make sure you like and subscribe and comment the actor that you like that are also in the same corporate with her. They also follow the evil footstep of their mom. Now in this movie, the police are after them and she kept changing her looks. Now let's watch out and see what will end this dangerous lady and her dangerous children. And don't forget, it's a movie that is full of epic actor. Àwọn àgbà òṣèré ló wà nínú eré yìí bíi Lateef Adedimeji, Bimpe Adedimeji, Lúbúlúbú ojú ọlọ, Kevin Kedubagan kò gbẹ́yìn, Bùkúnmi Adésínà, Oyin Jide Awobona, gbogbo wọn ló wà nínú eré yìí. Ẹ̀yin kan lè bá mi dárúkọ eléré tí ẹ fẹ́ràn nínú wọn. You can help me to mention the artists that you like among them, or the actions of the people that you like, and help me to subscribe to this channel so that we'll be telling you or notify you when movies like this comes out. You'll be the first to get the notification. How irú àwọn movie bá ti ń jáde, ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá like irú àwọn eré intelligence àtàwọn ọ̀tẹlẹ̀múyẹ́, ẹ bá mi subscribe sórí channel yìí, nítorí tí ẹ bá ti subscribe sí, tí irú àwọn movie bá ti ń jáde, ṣé tètè máa fi ránṣẹ́ sí yín pé àwọn fíìmù náà ti jáde. Ẹ